As I sit by my window and watch God's hands on wing, I think about those birds that sing and the happiness they bring. The majestic beauty of each tiny one, the graceful flight beneath the sun, as they enjoy their gift of life that our Lord has given everyone. We are blessed with so many gifts, yet for some reason we are too busy to see. Yet these tiny birds seem to waste not a thing, with bountiful joy so free. A lesson is here, if we'll just learn to enjoy each day we live. Like the bird on wing, we should appreciate all our God does give.